Hello sir, good morning. So we have made a project called ITS. I am Sangamitra Badole along with Mitesh Sarjare, Babita Valde and Pradeep Chaudhary. Now I am going to give you an introduction about ITS. ITS means Intelligent Transport System. As the city road network is growing day by day, the question of how to obtain information about the road is becoming more and more challenging. In such as era, intelligent transport system have emerged as a key candidate that is benefited from the unique features and capabilities of wireless sensor network and wireless modem technology. Wireless sensor network are composed of a small teeny device that work in autonomous manner to sense the surrounding. The wireless transmission protocol can be used for inter-vehicle communication among vehicle equipped with trans-receiver device. ITS are state-of-art combination of transportation infrastructure and computer and information technology. ITS can also resolve server situations like traffic congestion and cope up with emergency conditions like major accident. This project presents an efficient architecture that will increase the safety of road travel using the concept of wireless sensor network and the wireless communication protocol. We also discussed the ad hoc network formation between vehicle and data exchange sensed by sensor. The simulation result shows that wireless and sensor network can be used collaboratively to increase the safety of road travel with the advance in the technology of micro electromechanical system. Development in wireless communication and wireless sensor network have also emerged. This ITS gives the message to driver about railway gate and school ahead, then he will be definitely try to control vehicle speed. Now we will discuss transmitter circuit. Transmitter consists of microcontroller sensor, switches and wireless data modem. Keypad is connected with this microcontroller traffic. Density counter output is also connected. It has a vehicle receiver circuit. Receiver consists of microcontroller, 16x2 LCD display device for display purpose. RF data modem and distance sensor output from this receiver is connected to RSD of the microcontroller IC. Entire circuit driven by 12x battery. One is 5x regulator that's give regulated 5 volt DC required for microcontroller and other modules.
Working of ITS. I am Mitesh Sarjare presenting here features of ITS. These are the key features of ITS. Transmitter. Railway gate ahead. When we transmit the signal from transmitter and receive in our car, change just next signal is right turn, next signal is hospital ahead, next signal is speed limit, next signal is no horn area, brake ahead, speed limit 20, traffic jam.
I am Pradeep Chaudhary, going to tell you advantages and disadvantages of ITS. So advantages are here. It reduces the rate of accidents. It is used for safety purpose. It consumes less power. Disadvantages as follows. When we install it for one time, it is very costly.
I am Babita Valde. It is conclusion of ITS. We have tested our system, both hardware and software part. We have successfully completed it. It is working properly. We get information about different zone and we are also controlling speed of vehicles. Thank you.